Some other laws before we wrap this chapter up. First of all, we have commutative law, which states that either you add x and y or you add y and x, the resultant answer is the same. Let's take an example. You can add 3 and 7, the answer is 21. Alternatively, you can change the positioning of the integers. So now it becomes 7 plus 3. The answer will be the same. Same is the case for multiplication. You can multiply x with y or you can multiply y with x. The resultant answer is the same. Let's say we have 8 into 6, the answer is 48. Alternatively, changing the position of the integers, we have 6 into 8, the answer is 48. Associative law for addition. You can add y and z and then you add x to it, or you can add x and y and then you add z to it. The answer will be the same. Let's take an example. 4 plus 7 plus 3. Now we already know that you need to solve the bit inside the bracket. So you need to solve for 7 plus 3. The equation will be 4 plus 10 and the answer is 14. Alternatively, you can solve for 4 and 7 first of all and then you add 3 to it. So the equation will be 11, that is the answer to 4 plus 7 plus 3 and the answer is 14. Same answer. Same is the case for multiplication. You can multiply y and z and then you multiply it with x, or you can multiply x and y and then you multiply it with z. The answer will be the same. What do I mean by that? Let's say we have 6 into 3 into 3. So first of all, you'd solve for 3 into 3. The question will become 6 into 9. That is the answer to 3 into 3. And the answer is 54. Alternatively, you can solve for 6 into 3 and then you multiply it with 3. The question will become 18 into 3 and the answer will be 54. Same answer. Distributive law. We have for multiplication over addition. Let's say you can add y and z and then you multiply it with x, or you can individually multiply x with both y and z and then add them up. The answer will be the same. Let's take an example. Let's say we have 4 into 7 into 3. So you can solve for 7 plus 3, that is 4 into 10. The answer is 40. Or alternatively, you can multiply 4 with 7 plus 4 with 3 individually and then you can add them up. 4 into 7 is equal to 28 and 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So you add them up and the answer is 40. Same is the case for multiplication over subtraction. Let's say you have 4 into 7 minus 3. So first of all, you can solve for 7 minus 3 and then you can multiply it with 4. The answer is 16. Alternatively, you can multiply 4 with 7 and 4 with 3 and then use the subtraction. That is 28 minus 12. The answer is 16.